Okay, everyone. Let's get started. Let's hit Schnittny sneezes. I'm gonna make myself sneeze for the Super Bowl with Schnittny. Ready? Ready? Ready in 3, 2, 1, 0. Cough, cough.
Pedigree brings out the good in them. Feed the good.
This is the future of foundational nutrition. AG1 lets you drink your vitamins, minerals, probiotics, and so much more. One scoop, once a day. Learn more at athleticgreens.com.
Buying a car from Vroom is so
My eyes are watering.
easy. It's a phone and a finger.
Ready? 3.
Vroom through thousands of cars, then tap to pay. That's it. No sales fee, no wasted time. Go to Vroom.com and pick your favorites.
We design a future for life. Real life. Messy life. Life that changes.
7.
Brings us together for movies.
7 sneezes.
A life where batteries
I'm ready for my 8th one.
charged up again. Because now, Lovesac
Eight.
sound can be upgraded
8.
with stealth tech. And immersive surround sound by Harman Kardon hidden inside. Upgradable, washable, and guaranteed for life. Don't just hear it.
9.
Showroom near you.
I know you have to register
10.
as a consensual sexual relationship with HR. My question, do I do it as the man? Does she do it as the superior?
11.
I don't know. That leads to other issues that we may have in our relationship.
12. 12 1.
Hi. Just talking about
Let me blow my nose first. Let's see if it'll help. That was a sneeze first after 13 sneezes in a row.
Okay. If it was a mistake, it was a wonderful mistake.
14.
No. No, I did not intentionally get you drunk.
I got snot on my nose and mucus.
This is just
And boogers, too.
the first fight of many fights we're gonna have. Right. No.
15.
You want to see other people. Only other people. What? I think you're still a little bit drunk. Excuse me. Excuse me? I think you're still...
Today is Super Bowl Sunday. Super Bowl 57.
We'll go to the hotel.
16.
Slip you something.
Somebody even say we had our first date last night.
Oh, really?
Really?
Why might some say?
Dinner by candlelight. Dinner and a show if you include Michael's movie. And there was dancing and
17.
We didn't dance.
There might be a dance. It was more like swaying. But still romantic.
Swing.
I think I'm all done for now. Says I'm watching The Office and Bob's Burgers right now.
High school hockey.
Ready? I want to change the channel. Oops, wrong one.
What's this?
As much as I love spending time with you, Stack with CD,
Buy all the